RB Cashback Preferred World Elite Mastercard My Honest Review and Real User Experience 2025. Cashback cards can look great on paper, but the real question is, do they actually save you money? After using the RB Cashback Preferred World Elite Mastercard, here's my honest review. Right away, the card makes a strong impression. You earn a flat 1.5% cashback on all purchases with no confusing categories or limits. That's higher than many standard cards, and the simplicity is a huge plus. Most people get this wrong. They think premium cards are only for big spenders. But here's the surprising truth: even moderate users can benefit if they pay off their balance each month. The card's annual fee can easily be offset by consistent cashback. Beyond rewards, you also get premium perks. These include travel insurance, purchase protection, extended warranties, and access to Mastercard World Elite benefits like concierge service and exclusive travel offers. The welcome offer often includes an introductory bonus or cashback boost, which gives new users a solid start. The mobile app integration with RB's banking system makes tracking spending and rewards seamless. However, it's worth noting that this card requires a minimum annual income to qualify, and it's best for people who regularly use credit responsibly. The biggest win for me was the reliability, no hidden restrictions, and cashback automatically appears on your account. In summary, the RB Cashback Preferred World Elite Mastercard is one of Canada's most consistent cashback cards for 2025. It's designed for people who value simplicity, steady rewards, and premium protection. If you want a card that just works with real, no-nonsense benefits, this one delivers.